Hello. To schedule SMS on the Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the Messages application and select the contact you want to send scheduled message to. So let's send this message to this contact. You simply type in the message, and before you send, after your message is done, you have to press and hold this send button. And as you can see, here is the option to send schedule, and to schedule send actually. Yeah, and here are some to send later for AM, 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. and you can pick yourself the date and time to send the message. So let's say I want to send this message at February 1st, and I don't know, let's put the 6 a.m. and let's press set, and like this, now you can see that this message is being scheduled for tomorrow at 6 a.m. and you now press send. And as you can see, this as scheduled, and right here, as we press the circle right here we can update the message. We can change it and change its contents. We can also send it now or delete this message. So that's how to schedule the message. Thank you for watching.